gentlemen.
Welcome to Live on Cue, where we talk about people, places, events, and more. Know their stories and understand valuable insights from our selected guests. Listen and watch our live video podcast together with your QCast hosts. Live on Cue, only here on QCast. Live on Cue this Wednesday, Denise Demenes Sambuanga, the first Filipina in history to win an MMA world title, will join the QCast crew to talk about her MMA journey and more. February 19, Wednesday, 9 p.m. at Boss Gio Pares in Muntaza, Doha. Only here on QCast. Hey, we're coming to you live from Boss Gio Pares here in Doha, Qatar. This is Live on Cue. Got me, your Francis. I'm your host together with my co-host for this evening. This Ting of Team Talk Show. It's such a great evening here in Doha, Qatar. I have to put on my coat because we have a special guest for this evening. You know, I don't often wear my suit, my casual wear for this evening. But since we have a very special guest who flew all the way from the Philippines, and to give us a little bit of introduction, let me bring you up on screen. Go ahead.
Ayan. Wala, parang feeling
Go
ko wala
ahead.
naman introduction.
Yes.
We are very, very proud to present to you our interim atomweight MMA world champion of one championship, Ms. Denise Demenes Zamboanga. Ayan. Ayun. Excited talaga kami, as in.
Thank you po. Thank you for...
Kumusta naman,
having
Denise?
me. Yes.
Yes,
Thank you so
it's
much.
how was your flight so far? I'll ask you this offline. Kumusta yung biyahe mo mula dito? Mula sa Pilipinas papunta dito.
Actually, first time ko bumiyahe ng
Aha.
10
Mag-isa?
hours.
10 hours.
Yes,
10 hours.
mag-isa.
10 hours mag-isa, ang boring nun. I try to imagine, like ilang movie na tapos mo?
I think tatlo.
Oo nga, pwede nga.
Tipid pa yan, ah.
Oo, tipid pa yun.
10 movies. Okay, wow. Congratulations, by the way, for your win.
Yes.
And you made us so proud for getting that title, Atomweight. Tama ba?
Yes.
Atomweight world title. You know what? It's very rare that a Filipina would be on a big stage at mabigyan ng pagkakataon na makalaban yung mga big names din. Okay? Sa ganitong larangan, mixed martial arts. Okay. Anong taong ka nag-start, if I may ask? Nung nagkainganyo ka na gawin to?
Actually, I've started martial arts, karate.
Oh, karate. I see.
Yes. Nung 17 ako,
Okay.
my brother influenced me because he was doing karate that
see.
time. And then he just asked me like if you want to train or
I
something.
see. Okay. Sa
So,
Pilipinas?
yes.
I see.
Yes.
If I were to ask you pala, what's your hometown?
Quezon City.
Quezon. Alam mo ba, nag-iisip ako. Siguro taga Zamboanga to.
Isip ko
where
din.
are the Zamboangas where are the Zamboangas from? Yung origin nyo. Yung heritage nyo ng last name.
Sabi po ng dad ko is yung father po niya galing sa Zamboanga. Pero hindi
I
po
see.
sila nagkita.
Okay.
Pero I think may mga kamag-anak po ako. Sa
I see. Nice. Kumustahin naman natin yung mga taga Zamboanga if they're still awake at this hour of the night. 10:20 in the evening is what time in the
3
Philippines? 3 a.m.
3
Okay,
a.m.
hopefully they're awake. But they can always watch the replay once we're done, okay, with the podcast. It's our privilege, by the way, and our honor to get you onboarded here.
Yes.
Last time we had Coach Edward Fulayang who also give us an insight about MMA, about Pasio. Do you train with Pasio, alongside with Pasio and Belingon? Or
No,
may iba kang
so far
organization? From them.
house,
I see.
Oo.
I see.
Different team.
A different team. Okay.
Andun
Okay
ako
lang. Sabihin mo sa
ano,
kanila. Okay lang.
Nandun ako sa city.
Sa city.
Sila nasa
I see.
mountain.
Okay. Oh, di ba?
Pero ano naman?
City girl.
Yeah. Quezon City ka talaga
Yes.
lumaki.
Doon din ako nagtitraining.
I
Ang galing,
see.
no? Saan
Okay.
doon? Na-curious
Nandun
tuloy.
lang sa
Hindi, kasi-
gilid ng
Taga
bahay.
QC to eh.
Hindi ako tagig naman.
Tagig ka?
Oo,
Tagig ka ba? Okay.
Ayun. So how does it feel to win this MMA World Championship atomweight?
Sobrang privilege and grateful kasi nakapagdala ko ng karangalan sa bansa Yun, sobrang proud. And masaya ako na masaya yung mga Pinoy na
Yes.
meron tayong champion na babae.
Yeah, nakakatuwa eh.
I was about to ask that question since hindi ito basta-bastang karangalan na
Yes.
binigay mo sa amin. Isipin mo, you're at the top of your game and international stage to. Hindi lang to Pilipinas ginawa. Nung umakyat ka sa stage, kalaban, I forgot the last name of the fighter you fought kasi mahirap i-pronounce yung pangalan.
Yeah.
Di ba? Pero that was do you consider that as your most difficult, challenging fight?
I would say, siya na yung pinaka kasi.
Pinaka.
Siya na kasi yung parang,
Before you enter the title? Siya yung title holder before? Or,
no. Yung title holder kasi talaga is na-injured. So,
okay.
we have, one championship have to
I
find
see.
another
A replacement.
opponent.
I see. Okay. Since you get passed through your last opponent, okay, I'm pretty sure you have somebody on your radar, right? And I think people are clamoring for this fight. Talk us about Stamp. Dun, 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 dun. Sige, I think you're a good friend, right?
Yeah, yeah.
You're a good
Yes,
friend of
good
Stamp, diba? Okay,
friend
tell
and
us about her.
former Teammate. And yeah, she's a good friend of mine. We're very close. Every time, like after
After
training,
training.
makain kami
Talaga?
magkasama,
Ganda.
ganyan. Tapos, usual na
Yes,
magkaibigan.
nagkabonding.
Yes, ganun.
Don't you find it weird na parang at certain point in your lifetime, you'll have to meet her inside the ring? Di ba parang kaibigan mo siya and then all of a sudden, you have to fight for a title together. Parang mahirap
parang
suntukin yung kaibigan mo. Pero may mga kaibigan ako.
na gustong suntok. Minsan masarap din suntokin yung mga kaibigan.
For the record, hindi ako may sabi na. si Denise. Okay. Yeah. How does it feel? Kasi I find it so weird talaga eh. Diba? I mean, you hang out all the time tapos all of a
Siguro huwag
sudden.
na lang natin isipin na kaibigan.
Trabaho lang.
For the time being, trabaho lang.
Trabaho
Okay.
lang.
Okay.
Trabaho
Nag-sync in na ba sa'yo na eto na, world title na ako, world champion na ako?
Hindi ko alam.
Bawiin na! No, kasi di ba, parang, medyo surreal nga yung ganung feeling, no? Parang at that moment na binibigay sa'yo yung award as the new, tama ba? The new world title ng Atomweight Division.
Lalo na nung sinabing $50,000.
Yes.
Basta
Ay,
doon
mali.
ako naiyak.
Kahit ako din naman eh.
Di ba? Parang,
Yeah. Kahit ako din naman, pag binigyan ako ng $50,000.
Naiyak ka. Kaya manalo.
So, hindi sa suntok, ikaw naiyak dun sa Ayos pala to si Denise, ha? Okay. I'm so happy that you're here, by the way. How do you find the weather so far? Okay ba?
Hindi ako, na-shook ako kasi lahat ng dala ko is sleeveless.
hindi siya in-inform.
Tapos
Oh my
wala
God.
akong dalang pantalon.
Talaga? So, you have to buy somewhere here.
And nakalimutan ko na yung country is, syempre,
Yes.
they're very
Conservative.
conservative.
Okay.
Dala ko lahat skirt na pabigyan ko ng pantalon.
Oh my.
Ayaw mo sila
Alright.
pag hinarang kanila, suntukin
Yeah.
mo na lang.
Wag ganun. Okay. Anyway, talk us about your younger years, okay? When you were starting. You said you started 17 years old. Nag-start ka mag karate, 'di ba? Karate muna. And then iba yung karate dito sa ginagawa mo right now, which is mixed martial arts. Ano yung expertise mo? Submission?
Actually, nag-start ako ng karate. Tapos nung lumalaban ako sa mga amateur, yung mga finish ko grappling.
Ah, grappling.
Pero nagtitrain
Okay.
ako karate. Pero
I see.
yung mga finish ko, jiu-jitsu.
Jiu-jitsu.
So,
Yun talaga yung expert. Sa ngayon, yun na yung
sa
expertise mo.
ngayon, nakilala talaga ako as sa ground kick.
I see.
Pero ngayon, pinafocus namin, pinapalakas namin yung strike.
I see. Let's try. Di kasi pag Asians, no?
Maganda kasi suntukan talaga, yung bakbakan talaga eh, basta ganang mukha eh.
Umiiwas na, no? Buti na lang, medyo malayo-layo ako ng konti.
Ang lapit ko eh.
Oh my God. By the way, let me say hi first to the following people watching. To Fabin Ika. Sabi niya, hello din sa Zamboanga, by the way. One of our social media influencers here.
Baliw ako. No?
Yeah. Yeah, you're fun to talk with, I would say, diba? Si
Yun
Daddy
yung mga gusto
Techie.
namin.
He's
Yes.
also watching online. Nagmamuay tayo din. Okay. Ito, Maray Bet Fabon. Magandang gabi sa inyo. Thank you so much for watching. Nagmamuay tayo ka din. Talaga.
Sa Mandirigma.
Oh, I see. We also have one gym here which offers like classes.
Yeah, it's called
so,
Mandirigma.
yeah. And then in Qatar actually, to give you a background, medyo yung mixed martial arts, it's like a new product here eh. Although we had 166 last year, hindi pa din sila ganun ka-open sa idea. Like, kaya medyo at this point, we're still at the crawling stage. Diba? But it's actually a good thing that we are having more and more people coming here na manood nun para at least maging aware sila. May ganito pala. And this can be done in this country. Diba? And we're so happy as well nandito ka. Palakpak. You know what? I've been thinking about this the whole time. Sabi ko, hindi lang basta-basta si Denise Zamboanga.
Oo naman.
She's an MMA world titleist.
Yes.
Diba? It's a top tier
Yes.
competition and you're at the top of the tier.
Ay, hindi ko alam. Buti sinabi mo.
I want to say thank you pala kay Miss Rebecca of One
Yes.
Championship for
Yeah.
bringing Dennis here.
Yeah,
Diba?
actually sinabi talaga
Yeah.
namin eh.
Yeah.
Pinagdasal namin actually.
We asked for you.
Buti na lang. Kasi
Yes.
di talaga ako nagbabasa ng message.
Talaga. No, we asked for you when we first had a conversation
Yeah.
about it. Medyo nagka-problema ka pa daw sa visa before.
Yeah.
But naayos naman so far. Okay. Madami ka na na-encounter dito mga kababayan natin.
Ay,
Doha.
bawat ganun ko. Ay,
Puro
Pinoy,
kababayan,
ay,
ha?
Pinoy, ay, Pinoy.
Does anyone recognize you sa pag-ikot-ikot mo? May mga
Wala.
ilan-ilan.
Siguro nakita nila kasi naka-skirt
Oo.
eh. Parang di mo fighter yan. Ba yun?
But I have to commend you. You look great in your outfit dun sa Lusail. Yung, Raffles Tower
sa
ba yun?
Raffles,
Oo.
Ay, hindi ko alam kung
Oo, malapit ang building ko namin doon, where I work.
Ini-stock kasi ni Franz.
Nakita ko. Madaming na-amaze sa outfit mo doon, ha?
Eh, kasi nga wala naka-short. Ako lang yung naka-skirt.
Okay. Tingin.
Ayun. Ako naman gusto kong, since kanina sinasabi mo yung training mo sa QC, no? So what does, an ordinary training day look like for Denise?
Yes.
Actually, yung gym po talaga namin is sa taas lang ng bahay.
Wow.
Oh, okay. So, is it your own house? Or,
Yes, own
I
house
see.
talaga.
So, may gym talaga kayo?
Actually, ano lang siya, parang half lang nito.
Okay.
Tapos, we built it para lang may training space kami ng brother ko.
Oo.
Tapos,
Your brother is also into MMA?
Yes.
Or, I see. Anong expertise niya din? Jiu-jitsu?
now, boxing.
Boxing, I see. Okay, and then?
Ayun, parang dumating yung point na parang may mga fighters na nag-a-ask kay kuya kung pwede sila makitrain.
Okay.
Tapos yun, doon na nabuo yung team.
I see.
Nakakatuwa
Okay.
naman.
Okay. So, I want to ask this kasi at one point in your life, more likely, you've seen an inspiration somewhere kung bakit mo ginagawa to ngayon, di ba? When you were starting, sino yung mga iniidolo mong fighters?
Yung mga female fighters
Like,
talaga na sila Ronda Rousey.
Oh,
ganyan.
okay. Sa kabilang kampo yan. Oh, sino pa?
Kasi yun sa kampo natin, kalaban. Ano kalaban?
Ang kulit, diba? Ba't mo nga naman
Good
iniidolo
answer.
yun?
Okay.
idol.
Yeah, yeah.
Idol
Pero
sila.
Ronda Rousey is really
Yeah.
one hell of
Aha.
an MMA artist talaga. Grabe no. Babalibag ka na.
Oh, yun nga eh. Diba?
Okay, sino pa?
About sa work ethic, ano talaga, Manny Pacquiao.
Oh, yes, of course. Lahat naman tayo, idolo yun si Sir Manny. I mean, pagdating sa hard work, dedication, passion, talagang siya yun eh.
Siya.
When you were starting also dun sa sarili yung gym sa bahay, yung parents mo ba katuwang mo sa goals mo, or was it just your personal preference? Gusto ko mag-gym, gusto ko matuto nito.
Actually, after ko po kasi gumraduate sa college, nakapag-work pa ako mga 2 years sa government.
I see. Okay.
So,
Na-bored ka.
ayoko nakaupo eh.
Oh, diba?
Gusto niya.
Oh, sabi
Baka mabugbog mo yung taga-munisipyo na. Yung lagi mataas yung kilay. Pag tinatanong mo lang kung saan po magbabaya, daan! Sorry, hindi naman lahat ng mga taga-gobyerno ganun. Sabay bawi na. Sabay bawi. And then, when you were working, ano yung
Tapos
naisip mo?
nung nag-work na ako, parang marami namang opportunity na dumarating sa akin.
Okay.
Dumating sa point na nung nag-amateur fight ako, undefeated ako. Tapos hanggang sa dumating yung point na nakapag-one championship ako, nag-decide ako mag-train sa Thailand
I
mag-isa.
see. Okay. Magandang tanong ko to. Paano ka nakapasok sa one?
Yes.
Kasi nag-scout sila ng
I
mga
see.
female fighters. Bihira
I see.
lang kasi yung babae, di ba?
Yeah. That's true. Okay. So that's how you got in. Did you, how was the scouting done? Did you receive an email? Pinuntahan ka? Kinausap ka? Paano nangyari yung lahat?
Email.
Email.
Nila.
Sabi mo dati, scam to. Di ba ganun tayo? Taka muna, baka scam to. And then how did you know it was legitimate? Paano mo nalaman na totoo to?
Dun yung gym ko dun sa
I see.
Thailand before.
So nag-Thailand ka. I see.
Yun dun kami nagka-train staff.
I
Yun
see.
yung
So yung friendship nyo ni Stamp, matagal na.
nung nag-start na talaga ako sa one.
And then what year was this? Anong taon to?
2019.
2019. So it's like roughly 6 years.
Yeah.
Alam mo ang privilege mo. Kasi, if I were to assess some of the great fighters that we have, it takes them like 6 to 10 years before you can achieve this peak of your career na makukuha mo yung isang world title.
True.
Diba? Hindi ganun kadali. I mean, it's never a cut short na para sa ibang tao. And you were so blessed.
And she's
Diba?
so young.
And you're so young.
Diba?
Parang hindi.
Huwag na tayo pumunta doon sa age ulit. Kasi dihado
Ayaw
na naman
pag-usapan
ako.
na nga mga edad na yan. Okay, by the way, we have PHR people here. Ano, may Pinay Heart Pay yan. Mga influencers natin dito, mga katuwang natin sa pag-promote ng event. Yan. May mga ticket na kayo, wala pa. Okay, sorry. Bukas po yung event sa Lusail Sports Arena at
5 p.m.
starts at 5 p.m. May mga buses tayo going there, by the
Yes.
way. Mamaya, ipa-plug namin yon. And then, you will be watching the event as well bukas.
Yes.
Tama ba? Okay. Nasaan ka ba doon? Sa VIP? VIP?
Hindi ko alam baka
sa
Sa
Lamering.
ringside.
Yung judge.
Okay. Gusto ko malaman yung experience mo dun sa One Championship. Siyempre, your first fight with them was back in, if my record is correct, 2019. Yung first fight mo na tumungtong ka sa ring, ano yung pakiramdam? Yung first time mo na, parang, this is an international stage, ang daming camera, ang daming ilaw, ang daming, we have 20 million followers, by the way, at, for the One Championship page, and wala pa dun yung YouTube and all other platforms that they could broadcast the fight. So, all camera, all eyes are on you. Ano ang nararamdaman ng isang Denise Zamboanga stepping on that ring?
Actually, I remember nung debut ko sa One is ang kalaban ko Malaysian. Tapos ginanap yun sa Malaysia.
Okay.
Wow.
So, home
Oh
crowd
my
siya,
God.
home crowd favorite yun.
Actually, underdog ako
Yes,
nung
yes,
time
you
na
were.
yun. Syempre, andun yung kaba. Tapos, namimiss ko pa yung hydration. May hydration pa kasi before. So, sobrang kabado ako nung time na yun. Iba kasi yung crowd ng One Championship. Sobrang daming tao.
Wow.
Unlike sa mga local fights lang. Hindi siya ganun.
Yes.
Pero, kaya sobrang kabado ako nung pumunta ako sa cage.
At
Pero
what, at what stage na wala yung kaba mo? Nung unang suntok na?
Yung suntok
Pag bumitaw ka na eh, no? Parang lahat ng
Yun na,
tension
wala na,
nare-release na.
yun na
No? And then, pag ganun, parang tunnel vision ka na ba nun? Yung tipong kaaway mo, I mean, not kaaway, opponent mo na lang nakikita mo.
Yes.
Everything else, it just vanishes, di mo na namamalayan.
Hindi mo na maririnig.
Di mo
Wala ka
maririnig,
nang
no?
maririnig.
Siyempre, pagka tumunog yung bell, ting ting, balik ka sa corner mo. That's the only time you speak with your coach, di ba?
Yes. Para mga 10 seconds
10 seconds lang
pero
yun.
1 minute yun.
Oo. Parang yung, inside the ring, I'm trying to think, ito ba yung pinakamahabang oras sa buhay mo pag nandun ka na? The actual fight?
Yes.
Parang ang tagal, no? Di ba 2 minutes lang yun?
5
5
minutes,
minutes.
actually.
Pero parang ang tagal,
parang
no?
1 hour.
Di ba? Di ba?
Oo, correct.
Kasi pag andun ka at that moment, and then kasi when you have like better opponents, di mo matansya yung gagalaw nila, diba?
Yes,
Parang di mo alam kung
yes.
saan susuntok. So, yung isip mo, yung kamay mo, yung katawan mo, it has to be well coordinated.
Yes,
Diba?
yes.
So, ano yung mga dinadaanan mong practices, orasyon, yung mga routine
Yeah.
leading to an event, yung first time mo.
Kailangan yung mental mo
Mental.
din. Oo,
Do you have a mental
malakas.
coach, by the way?
Wala.
Do you have a mental hospital? Joke lang.
For MMA fighters.
Oh, di ba?
Talaga. Yeah, I think it's a good
Yeah, yes,
question
yes.
because
Yeah.
I think I also asked this to Pasio last time and he answered na kailangan talaga yung mental state
Yes,
mo
totoo.
matibay.
Oh, di ba? Yun din sagot nila.
Yes.
Di ba? Tama yung sagot mo.
Okay. Kasi nga naman, pagka mahina yung mental state mo, di ka
Oo,
talaga
kasi
talaga.
minsan, ang galing mo sa training, ano ka, ganyan. Pero pagdating mo sa cage, minsan nawawala kasi nga, nami-mental block ka,
I see,
parang
I
ganun.
see.
Kaya, importante siya.
Okay. Wow, that's nice to hear from you. You know what? You're a young lady, pero yung vision mo, yung mga thoughts mo are light years ahead of your age, just so you know. I commend you for that and magtuloy-tuloy ka pa sana sa pag-progress sa yung napiling karera. Napiling profesyon. Di ba? Ganda ng Tagalog ko ngayon.
Correct.
Profession sa buhay. All right, we got so much to talk about here in Live on Cue, but before that, we'll take a quick break and we'll get back with more of Miss Denise Sambuanga. Denise the Menace Sambuanga right here on Live on Cue. You guys stay where you are.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
One returns. One returns to Qatar with another blockbuster spectacle at Lusail Sports Arena on February 20, 2025. Fans will be treated to the best martial arts action on the planet as one bantamweight kickboxing world champion, Jonathan Haggerty, puts his gold on the line against Chinese superstar Wei Rui. Also, the reigning king, Joshua Pasio, and interim champ Jared Brooks meet in a trilogy match to unify the one strawweight MMA world title and much more. Tickets on sale at 1fc.com/1171 or visit q-tickets.com. Let's all support Pasio. Buy tickets and get 30% discount. Use code 1PH now.
Say good morning.
Morning.
What do you have there?
Lettuce.
And how do we make the lettuce? Through?
Hydroponic.
Wow! Show them. Can you show them the roots? One by one? Okay, how about you, Ate? How much more? Get more? Before going to school, we visit our small plantation of hydroponics. Look at the lettuce.
25 days later.
Hi guys, welcome to our lettuce farm.
So, what do we have today?
Lettuce.
Wow, can you show them the roots? Oh, that's so huge. So, how did you plant them? Through
Hydroponic.
hydroponics. Can you show them more? that's our vertical farm. That's our vertical setup. Show them. Also closer.
This one.
There you go. Can you invite them?
Yeah.
Okay.
Join us.
Join us here at our lettuce farm here at Adaya's Garden. Bye now.
Bye.
Oops! Teka, nakita nyo yun? Wow! Heto na, ang Big 4 ng Maharlika Park Restaurant. Big 4 by Maharlika Park Restaurant. Isang napakalaking box na siksik ng ulam. Select 4 dishes from any of the following. Pansit Palabok, Chicken Sisig, Lumpiang Shanghai, Maharlika Fried Chicken, and Chicken Barbecue for only $3.99 Qatari Riyals. At eto pa, the first 50 orders will receive a free box of Maharlika Fried Chicken. Big 4 by Maharlika Park Restaurant. Small gatherings ba? Parties? Or simpleng kainan? Sagot na ng Big 4 yan. This promo is only available for takeout and delivery. Contact us at 4468-0823 and 7795-5380 and visit our store at The Center, Muntasa, Doha. Big 4 by Maharlika Park Restaurant. After 9 years, the 7th All-Filipino Club Basketball Championship will once again be witnessed by basketball enthusiasts from the Gulf region. The OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. Men's Division, Open League, Overseas Filipino residents in the GCC, March 21 to 22, 2025 in Doha, Qatar. See you there.
Paano i-download ang Tinbo app? I-scan ang Tinbo QR code ng SGE Events. Pagkatapos ma-scan at mag-load ang page, i-click ang install button. Pagkatapos ma-install ang app, i-open ito sa inyong phone. I-register ang mobile number mo dito sa Qatar at gumawa ng password. Pwedeng pumili kung via Google, Facebook, or mobile number para mag-proceed. Para sa demo na ito, pipiliin natin ang Continue with Google. Ituloy ang registration at i-fill out lahat ng impormasyon na kailangan, gaya ng pangalan, mobile number, email address at password. I-type ulit ang password. I-check ang box ng acknowledgement at i-click ang Proceed. Makakatanggap ka ng one-time password or OTP sa email na ginamit sa pag-register. I-check ang inbox or sa spam message section ng inyong email ang OTP. Paalala, may mga issues pa na hindi natatanggap ang OTP. Kung sakaling ang OTP ay hindi matanggap, i-report po ito sa Tinbo team. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat!
Welcome back to Live on Cue.
Live on Cue this Wednesday, Denise "The Menace" Zamboanga, the first Filipina in history to win an MMA world title, will join the QCast crew to talk about her MMA journey and more. February 19, Wednesday, 9 p.m. at Boss Gio Pares in Muntasa, Doha. Only here on QCast.
Hey, it's 10:46 in the nighttime. We're back here on Live on Cue together with Francis and Ting of Ting Talk Show. Denise Ambongo with us. It's such a nice evening. We're having a great time.
Yes.
I'm so pumped up with how the conversation went from being a shy girl. Tapos kanina, nagjo-joke na si Denise.
Correct.
Okay. I want to ask you, by the way, sa Pilipinas, since sa QC ka, right? And you spent your childhood days, I would say, dun sa QC. Iba yung influence mo sa mga kabataan ng Manila, diba? Medyo ano sila they're a bit aggressive compared to ng mga nasa probinsya. Was it also a test for you to, get along with some young people na parang, alam mo, uso sa Manila yung mga bully-bullying,
Yes,
diba?
yes.
Okay, was it also, did you ever go through that kind of situation nung bata ka?
Nabully din talaga
Okay.
ako before.
Ngayon, di ka nila kayang bully.
Ngayon nila ako bully.
Subukin lang nila.
Ngayon nila ako
Okay.
habulin.
Okay. And then,
Actually, yung brother ko tsaka ako, nabully talaga
Talaga?
nung mga high school days.
I see.
Siguro yun na rin yung nag-ano sa akin para ituloy yung martial
I
arts.
see. So, it's something like
Pero
a
nung
motivation.
natuto na ako sa martial arts, hindi na ako nabully.
Siyempre. Takot lang nila. Baka gusto mo mampas ng belt.
Hindi, gusto ko sana niya i-practice daw.
Okay. Oh. Hindi. Hindi. Is there any point na in your life nung time na nag-start ka na mag MMA? Okay. So, syempre, balik ka ng Pilipinas, 'di ba? If you don't have a fight, babalik ka dito sa atin. And when you were starting, tapos people are already starting to recognize you, yung galing mo. Ano ba? Mas nagkaroon ka ba ng maraming kaibigan o mas maraming kaaway? Joke lang. Mas madami ba yung naging interesado sa ginagawa mo?
Syempre may mga na-inspire ako lalo
Yes.
na mga babae na parang before natatakot sila na MMA sobrang dangerous yan. Hindi siya pambabae. Pero nung nalalaman nila na may mga babae na
Yes.
pala na o kagaya ko na lumalaban, parang mas na-inspire sila na mag-training,
Ganun,
ganyan.
Bilang babae. Bilang babae na napunta sa isang larangan kung saan mostly are for men, di ba? MMA. Ano yung pressure na nararamdaman mo? Given na ngayon, you're already a title holder. Ano yung nararamdaman mong pressure at the moment?
Pressure, wala naman. Pero,
Wow. Gusto ko yung confidence niya. Okay.
siguro nga kasi, diba, first female
Yes.
MMA
Yes.
world champion, and sa title na yon gusto ko talaga na mas makita nila yung story ko, kung paano ko yun nakuha, para mas ma-inspire pa sila.
Nice.
Di ba? So, kapag hindi ka naman nagte-training, ano naman si Denise outside
Yes.
of MMA?
Without when you take off the gloves.
Yeah.
Kumakain.
Gusto ko talaga
That's most
siya.
of us.
Yeah.
That's like a normal
Kaya nga
average Joe like us.
Saan banda?
Kaya ko nakasampung lumpia ako dun.
Parang wala ka namang parang 99% muscle eh.
Actually, taba ako ngayon. Pag walang
Talaga?
fight, mataba talaga.
Hindi ka mataba.
Mag-leave the group na ako.
Lagyan mo na, dami mo na sagasaan.
Sampung
Oh my
kilo
God.
yung inaangat ko actually
I see.
kapag
Pero
off-season.
what kind of I would say diet do you have leading to an event? Bawa, usually ba 3 months before dapat strict diet ka na or
Mga 3 days. Baka malaman na yung sekreto ko. Joke lang.
Teka lang, stop pa. Busog pa ako eh. Hindi, totoo. Yung seryosong sagot. Seryoso. Leading to an event, ano yung preparation? Ano yung timeline mo?
Champion tayo, wag niyo akong gagayahin. 3 days.
Ano nagtataka? Paano kayo nag-champion? 3 araw lang yung diet. Okay, leading to ano?
10 kilo, 3 days, no? No, actually, mga 2 months talagang
2 months.
nagre-reduce na ako sa mga kinakain ko. Tapos hindi na ako masyado yung mga junk food, talagang iniiwasan ko talaga yung mga yon. Tapos mga 1 month, minsan no rice, tapos usually low talaga carbs. Pero minsan nagkakanin ako, pero hindi ganun karami. Kasi yung kanin, carbs, ganyan, pasta, dun ko kinukuha minsan energy.
I see. May may nutritionist ka? Dietitian sa team?
Actually, before meron. Pero ngayon kasi, medyo nakakabisado ko na
I
kung
see.
paano.
Kung paano.
galing.
Tsaka
Baka may
baka,
bayad yun.
baka pag kumain ako ng cake, baka...
Okay.
Ano para sa yung pinakamahirap
Yeah, yeah.
iwasan?
Sa pagkain?
Sa pagkain.
Yung kagaya yun. Bigyan ako ng ano.
Yung sinerve naman sa'yo.
You're so fun to talk with. Alam mo ba yun?
Diba?
Parang di ko maramdaman na MMA World Champion siya.
Kaya.
Napaka-down, she's so grounded, I would say,
Yes,
ladies and gentlemen. So something that really admire from you kasi, honestly, nung di ka pa pumupunta dito, iniisip ko kung ano yung character ni Denise. I thought you were like a serious person. Kasi di ba usually... Kasi di ba, when you're a fighter, alam mo yung
True.
focus nila, iba.
Totoo.
Their focus is like 110%. Hindi pwedeng 99.9. Dapat 100%. So when you're inside the ring, you're all by yourself. Di ba? Wala ka nang kakampi dun eh. It's all on you. So ang alam ko, pag mga ganung tao, talaga yung seryoso silang mga tao. Si Sir Edward kasi di ba?
Sige, Edward.
Seryoso
basta
siya.
yan.
So that's how I thought about fighters. Pero no, you're so tawag din, easy on the eyes. At the same time, magaan kang kausap. Diba? Di
Hindi ko
ba?
alam.
Ayan.
Hindi ko naman alam.
Tsaka ano pa, ano din, maloko din.
Oo, maganda kanyang sense of
Yes.
humor.
Oh my God, I lost my Tagalog again.
Correct.
Okay, Ting, go ahead. May tanong ka pa.
Di, ako, nakita ko kasi yung sa Instagram mo. So, yung husband mo,
Yes.
isa rin siya sa mga coaches mo, right? Or siya talang yung coach mo?
Isa sa mga coach ko.
I see.
And
So, doon na kayo nagkakilala talaga? Like, being your coach? Or matagal na kayo nagkakilala before pa ng one?
kilala ko na siya before pa, yung sa local, na lumalaban sila. Kasi both sila champion locally sa Philippines.
Ang
ng
galing.
I see. Akala ko nag-train siya sa bahay, yung sa rooftop. Siya yung binubugbog mo doon.
Actually,
Yung pala,
I'll take it
no?
all in. Oh, so fighter din siya.
yes.
I see.
Siya yung kasparring ko. Tsaka sa
Oh, diba?
Parang maganda to. Kasi parang, pag may galit ka, di ka na naman naghugas. Di ka naglaba. Pero how is it training with your husband so far? Kamusta? Ano pakiramdam?
Pag nasa training kami, talagang training.
Yeah. You don't hold back. Talagang bitaw kung bitaw.
Ganun din siya sa akin. Parang doon nilalabas lahat ng kasi pinaghugas mo.
Di ko ma-imagine.
Kaya nga eh.
That's a male fist. Diba?
Actually, wala talaga akong kaspar na babae. Kasi every time na may mag-i-spar akong babae,
Napapatay mo?
hindi na bumabalik.
Oh my God, I so love this conversation.
Hindi na po.
Ano lahat ng babae sa QC, pinapila niya naman. Pero anyway, yung gym nyo sa QC, may ano ba to talaga to? Parang it's open to everyone who wants to train there? Or,
Yes.
I
Kasi yung
see.
brother ko sobra
Passion.
siyang matulungin.
Yes.
Kulang na lang magtayo siya ng ng
Charity.
charity. Sa mga
It's a good
fighter.
thing. I
Sobrang
see.
concern niya when it comes to fighters na malapit, na kung
Galing.
sinong
Gusto mag-train.
Yes, gusto ko maging fighter. Sige, punta ka lang sa
I see.
gym. Ganun.
If you were to look back sa journey mo, okay, paano mo siya ikikwento? Sa isang batang tulad niya.
Sa'yo,
Yeah,
sabihin ko sa'yo, mag-training ka na, joke lang. Actually, hindi ko talaga expect na magiging, ito yung career ko, ganyan. Nung araw na nag-resign ako sa work, sabi ko sa dad ko is, I want to become a champion.
Wow.
Yun.
I see. So at 17,
Yeah, no, nung nag-work na
Nag-work
ako,
ka na.
nag-resign na ako sa work.
nung nag-work ka, so you started 17 sa
Yes.
pagte-training talaga as
Ano
boxing,
lang,
di ba?
karate
Karate. wala pang earlier than that, talagang nag-start ka 17.
Yes, 7.
Akalain mo yun? I mean, she started at like a later age na yun, di ba? Kung
Later
compared sa
na.
iba, di ba?
Yes,
Iba,
tapos
6 years
1
old,
lang.
di ba?
Yes, yes.
Hinahampas
Oo.
na ng kung ano eh.
Yes.
Manny Pacquiao started
Correct.
what age?
I'm
14,
not
I
sure.
guess, di ba? Parang
Oo,
ganun.
parang teenager.
Mga amateur boxing. So, you're really blessed. You're beyond blessed to be at this level at the same time na pinagdaanan mo yung mga top-tier fighters sa mundo, right? And we're looking forward for that stamp and Zamboanga fight talaga. Actually, not kami dito. We were actually looking forward to it last time. So,
Yeah.
if it's not gonna happen soon, sana matupad yung wish namin na yun. Okay. All right. Sorry.
Yeah.
Bulunan ako.
Diba? Hindi, ako naman, isip ko, what made you, anong nangyari? Alam mo, is there anything na nangyari, like, what made you decide na, di ba, nagtatrabaho ka? Parang nagising ka na lang ba isang araw na sabi mo, gusto ko na talaga to? I mean,
Yes.
what made you decide? Ano yung sa buhay, sinasabi nila lagi may turning point. What was that
What's the turning point in your life?
Actually, nung time na nag-decide na talaga ako na mag-focus sa MMA, na gayon na yung gawing career ko, is parang 50-50, parang magre-risk na ako, ganyan. Kaya nung nag-resign ako, talagang in-all out ko na. Kasi give up ko na yung work ko eh. So,
I
nandito
see.
na ako eh.
Kung wala yung one championship, what would be Denise doing right now?
Siguro mukbang.
Ala, ayoko na.
Alayo.
Alayo na. Yeah, what will you be doing? Anong klaseng profession kayo? Baka andun ka pa rin sa government.
Siguro.
Probably,
Baka
no?
nagtatay.
Nag-i-encode ka pa rin hanggang ngayon. Okay. Are you the type of person na parang risk taker? Are you a risk taker type of person?
Yes.
You are.
Yes.
And then nung okay, go ahead.
If mag-decide ako na gawin yun, talagang pinupurso ko yun.
All
Yes.
out. I see.
Galing.
Okay. Ano yung advice mo sa mga young athletes, mga fighters na they're looking up to you? Ano yung masasabi mo sa kanila?
Ang pinaka-advice ko talaga is you want something, talaga pursue mo.
Pursue.
I-dedicate mo lahat
Oras.
sa yes. Kasi nakikita lang nila yung mga kagaya namin, yung sila Joshua, sila
Yes.
coach, sila Kuya Edward. Nakikita lang nila yung social media na parang ay nagte-training, okay, MMA fighter, pero di nila nakikita kung ano yung struggle na
Yes, yung
pinagdadaanan.
behind the scenes.
Yes.
Behind the
Yes,
scenes.
yes.
Yes. Before I was training like 2 to 3 times a day.
Yeah.
Tapos halos di na talaga ako nakakapagbakasyon. Tapos yung Sunday, pahinga ko. Yun, talagang in-all out ko yung ano ko sa training talaga.
It's so true. Kasi some people, whenever you're successful in life, they only see the tip of the iceberg.
Yes.
Diba? Di nila alam, the bottom part of it was the struggle,
Hard work.
all the hard work, all the stress, all the pressure that you have to go through bago mo maabot yung ganung point in time. And siguro din at just to correlate, yung mga younger generations ngayon, they wanna cut short the process. Gusto nila makuha agad yung tagumpay. And I think it's not gonna work that way, di ba? Talagang pagdadaanan mo yung failures, yung mga struggles, kahit siguro naman lahat ng tao, I think you won't be a successful person kung di mo naranasan yung mga bagay na yun.
Oo, that's true.
I could remember the thing that Michael Jordan said sa interview niya. Before siya naging 6-time world championship, 1,000 of shots ang kanyang na-miss. And those failed shots made him the perfect weapon para sa NBA. So yun. Ayan, napaka-inspiring mo. At a young age, kasi kami matanda na kami. At a young age, you were able to achieve a milestone in life na I would say it's too far-fetched
Yes.
for other people like
that's
us.
true.
Diba? But for a dreamer like you and for the people who wanted to follow your footsteps, it will always be an easy task kung i-dedicate nila yung oras, panahon, right? Like you did. Kasi hindi ka dadating sa puntong to kung di mo yon ginawa.
Yes.
Right? Tama ba ako?
Yeah.
Praise the Lord. Okay. All right. As I've said kanina, we would be entertaining some questions from our crowd here at Boss Gio Pares. So, let me first say hi sa lahat ng mga nanonood. Baka ting meron kang gustong batiin. I want to say hi to Sarah Abuhundi, to our Vincent Bicua. Ayan. Balmaceda
Kuya
family is also watching. Good evening po sa lahat. And kay Iowa Nation is also watching. To Kristen Chi, making some grahams at a home.
Ayan.
To
Eto
Des,
si Des.
patakim natin siya ng ng graham.
graham.
Okay? Pwede ka na, katapos-tapos yung fight eh.
Yes, pwede na.
Okay.
Si
And
Miss
to,
Des
go ahead.
Surbano. Hi, Miss Tin. Ayan. Miss Denise. Wow, kanina ka-chat ko.
Si Beb.
Si Miss Beb Denise. Wow,
Welcome to
sa
Doha.
Alright.
And sabi ni Kristen Chi, aliw ni aliw daw siya sa'yo. O, di ba? Di ba? Takot lang na mabogbog ni Aberna. So, say to Princess Elisha. Is this you? No, okay. Somebody else. Sorry. She says hi. To Richard Martinez, hi. Shout out from Jollibee Villager. There's a lot of people watching right now. Thank you so much, guys, for joining us. And you'll be staying here till when? Sa Doha? Until Friday.
Friday yung balik ko.
I see. Sabay-sabay lang kayo nila, Reb. Pauwi ng Pinas.
Oh.
May party kami mamaya. Gusto mo sumama?
Shot po no, bugbog.
Seryoso. Happy birthday to our co-host.
Trixie.
Our co-host from QCast, Trixie Lee. Happy birthday sa'yo.
Happy
Yes.
birthday.
Ang sabi niya sa amin kanina, sana daw madala ka namin doon sa birthday party niya. Tatanungin namin si Denise.
Wala
Denise.
akong tulugan.
Ayun, no.
Okay.
Magme-meet
Alright.
and greet bukas ng sabog.
Ayan. Kami din naman pupunta sa venue ng Sabog.
Correct.
Okay. All right. We'll take a last break, and after our break, we'll be asking our audience
Yes.
to participate in the Q&A. Kung may Q&A, sorry. Q&A. Kung may tanong kayo, get your questions ready. We'll be opening the floor for you guys, okay? So, for our viewers, stay where you are. Live on Q will be coming right back.
Take a break. We'll be right back.
One returns. One returns to Qatar with another blockbuster spectacle at Lusail Sports Arena on February 20, 2025. Fans will be treated to the best martial arts action on the planet as one bantamweight kickboxing world champion, Jonathan Haggerty, puts his gold on the line against Chinese superstar Wei Rui. Also, the reigning king, Joshua Pasio, and interim champ Jared Brooks meet in a trilogy match to unify the one strawweight MMA world title and much more. Tickets on sale at 1fc.com/1171 or visit q-tickets.com. Let's all support Pasio. Buy tickets and get 30% discount. Use code 1PH now. After 9 years, the 7th All-Filipino Club Basketball Championship will once again be witnessed by basketball enthusiasts from the Gulf region. The OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. Men's Division, Open League, overseas Filipino residents in the GCC, March 21 to 22, 2025 in Doha, Qatar. See you there.
Paano i-download ang Tinbo app? I-scan ang Tinbo QR code ng SGE Events. Pagkatapos ma-scan at mag-load ang page, i-click ang install button. Pagkatapos ma-install ang app, i-open ito sa inyong phone. I-register ang mobile number mo dito sa Qatar at gumawa ng password. Pwedeng pumili kung via Google, Facebook, or mobile number para mag-proceed. Para sa demo na ito, pipiliin natin ang Continue with Google. Ituloy ang registration at i-fill out lahat ng impormasyon na kailangan, gaya ng pangalan, mobile number, email address at password. I-type ulit ang password. I-check ang box ng acknowledgement at i-click ang Proceed. Makakatanggap ka ng one-time password or OTP sa email na ginamit sa pag-register. I-check ang inbox or sa spam message section ng inyong email ang OTP. Paalala, may mga issues pa na hindi natatanggap ang OTP. Kung sakaling ang OTP ay hindi matanggap, i-report po ito sa Tinbo team. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat!
Welcome back to Live on Cue.
Live on Cue this Wednesday, Denise "The Menace" Zamboanga, the first Filipina in history to win an MMA world title, will join the QCast crew to talk about her MMA journey and more. February 19, Wednesday, 9 p.m. at Boss Gio Pares in Muntaza, Doha. Only here on QCast.
Hey, back here in Live on Cue. It's 11:09 in the nighttime, and as I've said, we'll be opening some questions from our visitors here at Boss Gio Pares. So let's have somebody from Pinoy Heart Radio in the name of Sound Check. Okay, gumagana. Bobby Eros with us.
All right, thank you so much,
you know.
Francis.
Yes.
Hello, Miss Tina, and of course, hello kay Denise.
Yes.
Medyo lalayo ako kasi baka mata. Well,
Good.
I have a question. No? After having, of course, she's the first Filipina MMA
Yes.
title holder. Ano ba ang nabago kay Denise after this title holder?
Yeah, after the time.
Nabago? Wala naman po. Parang same din yung Zamboanga lang. Yung mga recognized lang po sa mga Senate, ganyan, sa
okay.
mga
I see.
city, ganyan.
So, mas tumaas yung level ngayon.
Hindi ko po
Should I say tumaas ba or bumaba or something?
Lumapad daw.
Oo. Lumayo kasi delikado. And follow up to that question, ano pa ba ang nilook forward ni Denise after this everything?
Uy, magandang tanong yan.
Yung nilook forward mo in the near, ano pa ba yung hinahangad mo after this title?
After this title, hopefully mas dumami pa o mas madagdagan pa yung belt natin and ikikip natin yan hanggang dulo.
Mag-ipon ka ng belt na mag-ipon.
Yes.
Sa bakit, nagsasan na yun. Pwede isang laki boss toyo. Anyway, thank you so much.
Salamat po, salamat.
Thank you so much. Francis, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat, Bobby Eros, Pinoy Heart Radio. Okay, we have another one. Come here. Come on.
Ayun!
Yeah, diba? Ito yung big fan din to
Big
ng
fan
ating
ng One
mixed martial arts.
Championship. Yes.
Yan. Hi! Kumusta?
Alam, parang
Ay, may ano siya, nobela. Font 8, back to back. Okay, go ahead. Oh, no, wala. sorry. Yeah, say your name first. Say
I'm
your name
Phoenix Bean
first.
po.
Phoenix Bean.
So, uso na po social media and stuff. And of course, people are gonna write about you po.
Mhm.
Pero is there anything you wish people knew about you po?
I hope they knew yung kagaya ng ganito. Kasi alam lang talaga nila, Denise,
As a fighter,
Yes,
no?
as a fighter, parang matapang, ganyan. Yung mga ibang tao, hindi nila alam na yung gantong ugali
Magaan
ko
ka
na,
kasama.
Kalog, ganyan.
Jolly.
Yeah.
Halata mo, no? Tawa ka ng tawa doon. Nakikita kita. Yung mga banat po, tawa siya ng tawa.
Tsaka yung iba rin sabi, parang masungit, ganyan.
Yes. Okay. Alright, nice. Anything else?
Oh, isa pa po. It's like,
Yeah, go ahead.
what kept you motivated to do MMA?
Mm-hmm.
Kept me motivated. Mas nag-enjoy kasi ako pag nasusuntok ako.
Oh my God. Nakakatakot to kasama.
Di ko alam, ba't ganun?
Talaga?
Di ba yung iba parang,
Okay.
pamilya, kailan,
Yes.
hindi. Kapag nasusuntok ako, mas namomotivate ako.
Yun yung drive, no? Anyway, it's part of your profession, that's why. Okay, maraming salamat.
Wow,
Thank you. Anybody else? Ika, alam ko may tanong ka. Come here. Tagilan. Halika na. Bilis na. Sayang ng airtime. From the fans po, meron po bang magtatanong sa inyo? This side? You have questions? Come on. It's your chance. Oh, Ika. Halika. Ito si Ika. For Family Ika. Okay, go ahead.
Ano camera?
Ito.
Hi!
Dun. Yan.
Hello
Parang
everyone.
kukunin ka na ni Lord. Charot.
Oo nga eh.
Ayan,
Nakainis kayo. Ba't ganyan yung lightings nyo?
Okay.
Hello sa mga QCast viewers po. I'm
Yes.
Ika from Fab and Ika. And welcome, Denise. I'm one of your fans.
Wow.
Kasi
Hindi,
nagmamuhay...
si Stop sabi mo last time.
Super
Yeah.
Super idol ko din talaga si Stam.
Yeah,
Kasi
yeah.
nagmamuhay tayo din talaga ako.
Yes.
Kasi merong isang gym dito. Yan. Mandaring Man Gym. So, dun kami natutong mag-muay thai talaga.
Oh.
Pero hindi kami masyado magaling. Kaya, ang tanong ko sa'yo, paano ba maging magaling sa muay thai? Ano yung mga forms and everything? Kasi, I think, since 2019, I'm doing muay thai. So, and then, personal training din. Oo, so gusto ko talaga manuntok din ng kaibigan. And mag-elbow and kick, di ba? May mga ganyan.
Actually, yung gusto niyo po like gumanda yung form.
Ano yung mga...
Like lumakas yung suntok, di ba? Actually, lang talaga, kailangan mo lang parang everyday mo i-aral. Like, yan sila Stamp. When we train before, everyday, 2 times a day, yung kanyang training ng pad hold. Kaya, after nun, nag-kick pa sila sa bag, parang 50 kicks per leg, ganyan, like everyday. Yeah. Yeah, kaya talagang yan, kapag may gusto kang gawin, gusto mo siya is i-master, talagang gawin mo siya araw-araw.
Okay. We'll be seeing
Yung gusto
like...
mo talagang bugbugin yung kaibigan mo.
Oo, yung katabi ko, joke lang. And also, syempre sa mga...
Excuse me.
And,
Hindi ako yun.
naka-live ka, fancy.
Sinasabi ko lang.
Valentine's Day lang.
Okay.
And,
We promote love here. Okay, go.
anong tawag dito?
O, di ba nawala ka? Ano yan? Go ahead.
Bakit Muay Thai or MMA? Kumbaga,
But di
sa mga
boxing?
aspiring na, I mean, bakit yun yung kailangan?
Like, bakit combat sports per?
Hindi, I mean, what's interesting about MMA or Muay Thai?
Yung adrenaline when it comes to the cage. Diba? Tsaka yung pag-entrance ka, may mga fans na
Sumisigaw, no?
sigaw sa'yo, yung support nila. Iba yung feeling ng gano'n na after mo manalo, yung
Yes.
ganyan na parang after nung hard work mo, na-overcome mo yun
Nice.
with your victory.
Nice.
Last question.
Go ahead.
Pwede tayo mag-TikTok mamaya. Nag-TikTok din kasi sila dalawa, di ba?
Depende sa
Ni
ininis
Tom.
ko gusto niya.
Ayun.
Of course.
Anyway, congrats pala.
Thank you.
And welcome to
Thank you so
Qatar.
much.
Enjoy.
Yes. Alright. Tropang kabayan, sir. Okay. Ito yung mga social media team natin. They're the one promoting the event for 1171. Ito yung mga malalakas dito sa Doha eh.
Hello, Piyocas fans. Maraming salamat. I'm Tropang Kabayan.
Yes.
Thank you so much for coming in Qatar, Ma'am
thank you
Denise. My question is, yung lumaki ka, ikaw ba'y pangarap mo na to or na maging one day
Maging champion.
maging sikat, maging champion?
Nung nasa tiyan pa lang po ako ng nanay ko.
Grabe, ano?
Kaya pa lumaki.
Talagang napanaginipan mo na yan. One day I will be like this, you know.
Sumisipa sa tiyan ng mga...
Yung pala yun.
Ang hirap siguro
Okay.
nung binuntis ka ng nanay mo, ano, ng mami mo, ano.
Wala nang seryosong sagot dito. Yung seryosong
Siguro
sagot.
hindi pwedeng magsabi si daddy mo, si daddy mo, kasi naninipa
Okay.
kayo, masisipa, no?
Yeah.
Actually, yung seryosong sagot ko
Yes
is,
po.
hindi ko po talaga expected na
Magiging ganito.
magiging ganito yung career ko, ganyan. Naano ko lang po siya nung marami ng opportunity na nag-o-offer sa akin.
Right. Last question po. Ikaw ba, kasi sa picture at saka sa video, iba yung look mo. Very masculine
Fierce,
ka.
no?
Adrenaline
Fierce.
nandyan, ano? Even ako, natatakot ako eh. No?
Kaya pa nung layo-layo.
In person, you're very, grabe, kalog, friendly.
Talaga ba? Parang...
Oh my goodness, yun mo. Isa pa.
Mas lalo ko natakot.
Kaya tayo nagkakatay para...
Para demure. Very cutesy.
Grabe yung
Okay.
boyfriend mo. Grabe siguro yung ano niya, no? I mean, experience niya. Like, anytime pwede kong kaano to, no? Or,
Mabait siya eh. Kaya talagang safe siya sa akin.
Oh my God.
anyway, thank you so much for your
Thank you po.
time. Thank you so much.
Salamat.
Alright, thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Anybody else? Ma'am, sa mga fans pa, halika pa. Halika pa. It's your chance to ask question. Come on. The lady in white. Ay, nahiya siya.
Nag-white time din daw siya.
O sige, kahit wala na sa camera, iabot ko tong microphone sa iyo dyan. Gusto mo? Anybody else? Sige na po. Sige na po. Abangan dito pa si Denise. Baka may tanong pa kayo. Okay, wala na? Sure? Ha? Ready pa? Hanggang ngayon lang to. Baka bukas pa yung tanong mo, wala na kami dito. Hello? Ang talent pick ko hanggang 11 lang. Okay. Alright. Halika na. I think you have something to ask. Come here. Sige na. Halika na. Yan. Ito na. Halika.
Ayun.
Yan. Ito mukha ring MMA. MMA fighter din to.
Hello po.
Hello. What's your name?
Sheila.
Sheila. Okay, Sheila. Okay.
Curious lang kasi yung mga kasama ko. Medyo hindi naman importante. Pero
So yung
gusto
tanong mo
lang
pa sa
naman.
O sige, balik kayo doon. Go ahead.
Siyempre pag may laban ka,
Mm-hmm.
yung pagkatapos nun, yung pagpapagaling, o yung,
Nice yung ano. Masakit nga sa katawan yun, no?
siyempre,
Okay.
bugbog. Although nanalo ka, pero siyempre, mabubugbog ka rin. May time ba na mauospital o pahipahinga lang.
Paano kayo nagkaka-recover after? Pag naman. Paano ka nakaka-recover, I guess, pagkatapos ng fight? I think that's your question, right? Paano yung recovery niya after ng fight? Okay. Thank you so much, Sheila. Meron ka pa tanong? Sige, ito ka muna. Ito muna, Alice. Ano?
Yung sa
Sasagutin ko pa niya
recovery,
eh.
yung sa recovery noon, yun, depende naman minsan, pag mabilis lang yung fight, ganyan, wala naman masyadong pasa, pero hindi mo maiwasan na after ng fight mo,
Masakit
masakit yung katawan mo, na parang binugbog ka ng 10 tao. Pero, di mo na yun iisipin kasi may premyo ka.
May 50,000 USD ka, di ba?
I know.
Okay.
Kaya, sanay na yung mga...
Nice. Thank you so much. Anything else?
Siya talaga may
Oh, sige. Halika na. Halika na. This is your chance. Come on. Di pa daw tinapos yung tanong.
Paano
Umalis
daw
na agad.
nakakil?
Halika dito.
Fighter.
Meron pa ba? Sige, bulong mo sa akin. Anong tanong mo? Ha? Nagpapanadol ka ba daw?
Ano daw?
Yung Panadol, local brand ng paracetamol dito eh. Yung parang alaksan sa atin. Sabi ko tuloy yung brand. Ayun, paracetamol. Ayun, so.
Seryoso yun?
Oo. I think her question is if you're taking medicine
Yeah,
after na
true.
pampawala ng pain, pain reliever.
reliever.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Do you take those kinds of meds after?
No.
So you just rest
Yes,
talaga?
rest lang talaga.
Ay, may tanong pala
Haplas,
ako.
ganon.
Hindi, kasi
Katingko.
di ba? Omega pain. Di ba usually pag fighters, you're not allowed to sleep after the fight?
Ganun
Tama ba? At parang may certain time na hindi kayo
kapag
pinapatulog.
na-knockout ka,
Oh, I see. Why is it that way? Bakit ganun? Bakit di kayo pinapatulog pag ganun?
siguro kasi parang ano
Yung brain.
mo, kaya baka di ka na mag-ising
I see. Ay, siguro think you can answer that as a health professional.
Actually,
Well, you have no
hindi,
idea.
I have no idea.
I see. Usually ganun kasi, di
Pero
ba?
maybe.
Yeah.
Parang mga nanay mo, di ba? Kapag kunyari natutulog, huwag mo ka muna tulog. Ganong feeling ko. No?
I see.
Natanga ako dun no?
Hindi kasi I've been watching some of the fighters who got knocked out. Sabi mo nga, like si Pacquiao when he was knocked out by Marquez. Di siya talaga based on the report, di siya kailangang matulog for a couple of hours. So siguro pinapa-recover yung brain.
Maybe.
Probably. Okay, wow, it's been fun talking to you. Maraming salamat, Denise. Thank you so much
Thank you
for
so
being
much.
here on Live on Q, on QCast. And I hope you stay here longer. And I hope you could spend the next few days enjoying Qatar because we still have like the best weather so
Yeah.
far
Ito na
at this
yung
time of the
best.
year. When you come here, probably in April or May. Nako.
Wala na.
Ang biday pa lang kaaway mo na. Okay? And thank you so much to all those who asked questions. Maraming salamat sa inyo lahat. Okay, to all our guests inside, Boss Gio Paras Qatar. To Boss Gio, maraming salamat
Thank
for
you so
giving us the
much.
venue to do this podcast tonight. Also to Glenn, your assistance for so pagdala sa iyo dito, and to Miss Rebecca, by the way, for bringing Denise here in Doha, Qatar. Okay, anything you wanna tell to the Filipino people right now? The floor is yours.
Yun, yung supportahan natin yung Filipino fighter na lalaban bukas dito sa Qatar. Si Joshua Pasio and si Kuya Kevin Bilingon. Please support them. And also to all the MMA fighters na gustong maging champion, ganyan, may mga dream to pursue their dream is just stay dedicated and do all your hard work. And thank you so much for supporting me.
Mayroon akong tanong bago ka umalis. Right now, you're at the atomweight division. Do you plan on moving up?
Dahil dun sa
mukbang.
dahil dun sa leche plan feeling ko.
But seriously,
Pero actually,
are you comfortable with this division? Or tingin mo meron ka pang
I think if
ibubuga?
I defend or if I get more belts for this
division, you might
I
move
can
up.
move up.
I see. Okay. Ano tingin mo yung level na kaya mo pang mag-move up? Kasi di ba, si Pacquiao, he started at featherweight until the super welterweight division, di ba? Lahat yun. And he was able to dominate it. Ikaw, as a fighter, kasi kayo makakaramdam yan, di ba? Kung kaya mo pa sa division na to or di na, right?
Hanggang heavyweight tayo. Joke. Wala kasi heavyweight, kaya ang last na low.
Yung seryoso sa
Actually po, we only have two
you only have two.
divisions
Sa babae.
sa left
I
sa
see.
babae. Kasi wala masyado sa Asia na big girls.
Yes.
Kaya we only have atomweight and strawweight
I see.
division.
So strawweight yung
Yeah.
tingin mo. I see. Nice,
We will get
nice.
that soon.
I'm so excited for you. And I'm excited for the future for you. Kasi tingin ko, with your status right now and the way you see things positively, madami ka pang maabot. I'm pretty sure about it. I see a future that's so bright for you. Congratulations again. And thank you for being here on Live on Q. Aww. All right. So with that said, anybody want to shout out thing before we go? Go ahead.
Maharlika Park Restaurant, all the staff and crew, Sir Alan De Ocampos, Kai Gonzalez, Cal Gonzalez, Katrina Flores, and Maribeth Fabon, Nikki De La Cruz, Bean, and lahat po ng mga ate and kuya of Qatar Black Gold sa Patila Eagles Club and Qatar Black Gold sa Patila Lady Eagles Group.
Anybody
Yes.
you want to say hi? I-review na lang nila yung video bukas.
Oo.
Yeah. Your family in the Philippines.
Family, back
Yes.
home, miss ko na kayo.
Ayun.
Tagal ko na dito.
Papadalan po kayo ng camel ni Denise pag-uwi niya.
Ayun,
Ay, you
sa
should
mga
try the
sponsors,
kunafa chocolate.
Yeah,
You should
yeah.
try it.
Okay,
It's so
yeah,
much.
chocolate
Yes.
kunafa.
Okay. Yes. Also, we want to invite you guys to join us tomorrow. It's going to be the big day for the MMA fighters, our Filipino fighters, Kevin Benningon, and of course, Joshua Pasio. Don't forget, it's at the Lusail Sports Arena. Gates open at 5 in the afternoon, but the fight will start around 6 p.m. And for those who haven't scored a ticket, you can still go to qtickets.com. And for those who have no ticket, please get in touch with the social media influencers we have in Doha. Balmaceda family, Tropang Kabayan. I think PHR also have tickets. Tama ba? Wala. O sige, kung sino meron. Ako meron. If you wanted to have, let me know. And maraming salamat to Fabi and Ika, to PHR for being here tonight. And Tropang Kabayan, who else was here? Okay, Deji Rico, Bobby, and of course Meow of Pinoy Heart Radio. Thank you. And also to my Brad, yan, si Delta. Boss Gio, thank you so much.
Thank you
To our
so
princess
much.
here, maraming salamat. Everybody else, thank you for watching. This has been Francis. Thank you for joining live on Q. We'll see you again next time. Ladies and gentlemen, Denise the Menace of Wonder! Thank you.
Thank you
See you
so
again next
much.
time. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Defend your hometown far and near. Give your team the loudest cheer. Calling the attention of all basketball enthusiasts in Qatar, the OFW 7th GCC All Filipino Club and PBAC present Maharlika Park Restaurant Intertown Basketball Tournament 2025. Intertown Basketball Tournament 2025. Friday, April 4, 2025. The champion gets 10,000 Qatari Riyals. Runner-up, 4,000 Qatari Riyals. For mechanics and details, call 5006-1008. For registration, call Maharlika Park Restaurant at 7795-5380. Register now. One returns to Qatar with another blockbuster spectacle at Lusail Sports Arena on February 20, 2025. Fans will be treated to the best martial arts action on the planet as one bantamweight kickboxing world champion, Jonathan Haggerty, puts his gold on the line against Chinese superstar Wei Ruwei. Also, the reigning king, Joshua Pasio, and interim champ Jared Brooks meet in a trilogy match to unify the one strawweight MMA world title and much more. Tickets on sale at 1fc.com/1171 or visit q-tickets.com. Let's all support Pasio. Buy tickets and get 30% discount. Use code 1PH now.
Ang mga kailangan mo at ng inyong pamilya sa Pinas, mahahanap mo sa tindahan ni Bossing. Tenbo, powered by PLDT Global. Ang one-stop online tindahan para sa mga Pinoy sa abroad. Sa Tenbo, sari-sari ang mga produkto at serbisyo. May load padala sa Pinas, shopping e-vouchers, bills payment, food e-vouchers, doctor's online consult vouchers, e-government services, at gaming pins. Sa Tenbo, makakakuha ka ng Smart Virtual Number, ang seamless Philippine mobile number na magagamit para sa libreng tawag sa OWA 24/7 hotline. At para makatanggap ng one-time passwords o OTP, galing sa Philippine banks at e-wallets. Sa Smart Virtual Number, pwede ka ding i-text o tawagan ng inyong kapamilya sa Pinas gamit ang kanilang local Philippine numbers kahit wala silang internet. Kapag may Tinbo account ka, parang nasa Pinas ka na rin kahit pa malayo ka. Tindahan natin to mga bossing. Tinbo. Register for free.
Uwi na. Oo, sige. Kailangan ko lang ito tapusin. Bye-bye.
Yes, ma. Opo, ito, pauwi na. Sige na, ma. Tulog ka na dyan. Bye. Love you.
After 9 years, the 7th All-Filipino Club Basketball Championship will once again be witnessed by basketball enthusiasts from the Gulf region. The OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. OFW 7th GCC All-Filipino Club Championship 2025. Men's Division, Open League, Overseas Filipino residents in the GCC, March 21 to 22, 2025 in Doha, Qatar. See you there.